Many flowers are known for blooming in specific months. Here are some examples of flowers that typically bloom in particular months. These can vary depending on your local climate and gardening zone. Check out these 12 indoor plants that bloom throughout the year, ensuring a continuous showcase of floral beauty for each month. For January, Christmas cactus, Schlumberger bridgesii. The Christmas cactus is a festive favorite that typically begins blooming in late November and continues into January. These photoperiodic plants require longer nights to initiate flowering, which aligns with the shorter days of late fall and early winter. To promote blooms, provide 12 to 14 hours of darkness each day starting in October, and maintain a cool environment around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper care includes avoiding overwatering and ensuring well-draining soil. Once buds appear, consistent moisture and bright, indirect light will help sustain the vibrant flowers, enhancing your home's color during the winter months. For February, African violet, St. Paulia. African violets thrive in February as days lengthen and winter begins to fade. These vibrant indoor plants can bloom year-round with the right care. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistent temperatures of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To promote blooming, keep the soil evenly moist but avoid getting water on the leaves to prevent spotting. A well-draining potting mix and fertilizing every few weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer will support flower growth. High humidity is also beneficial, so placing the pot on a tray of water and pebbles can enhance blooming. With proper care, African violets will flourish beautifully through winter. For March, peace lily, Spathiphyllum. March signals the arrival of spring, a time when the peace lily showcases its elegant white blooms, known as spathes. Increased light and warmer temperatures in this month stimulate prolific blooming. To ensure success, place the peace lily in bright, indirect light and maintain room temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Water the plant regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. High humidity is beneficial, so misting the leaves or using a humidity tray can promote growth. Fertilizing every 6 to 8 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer will further support flowering, allowing the peace lily to thrive beautifully in early spring. For April, orchid. No year is complete without the stunning blooms of orchids, particularly the Phalaenopsis variety, which thrive indoors in April. These exotic flowers flourish in bright, indirect light and prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To encourage blooming, water the orchid thoroughly but allow the potting medium to dry slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Maintaining humidity levels of 50 to 70% is ideal, so misting or using a humidity tray can help. Fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Repotting every couple of years with a specialized orchid mix ensures good drainage, leading to beautiful spring blooms. For May, Geranium, Pelargonium. May brings warmer temperatures and longer sunlight hours, creating ideal conditions for indoor geraniums to bloom beautifully. To promote flowering, place these vibrant plants in bright, direct sunlight near a sunny window. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and ensure the soil is well draining. Water the geranium when the top inch of soil feels dry, avoiding overwatering to prevent root rot. Regular feeding is essential. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Deadheading spent blooms encourages continuous flowering, allowing geraniums to display their colorful blossoms throughout spring and into summer. For June, begonia. Indoor begonias thrive in June as longer daylight hours trigger their flowering process due to photoperiodism. To ensure beautiful blooms, place these plants in bright, indirect light near a well-lit window. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and moderate humidity, as begonias prefer slightly humid conditions. Water the plants when the top inch of soil feels dry, ensuring good drainage to prevent root rot. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. Regularly prune spent flowers to promote new growth. With proper light, moisture, and care, begonias will produce abundant blooms throughout June. For July, hibiscus. Indoor hibiscus plants are essential for July, blooming beautifully in response to the high sunlight levels typical of midsummer. These tropical plants thrive in bright, direct sunlight, so placing them near a sunny window is crucial for abundant blooms. To promote flowering, maintain temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and ensure high humidity by misting the leaves or using a humidity tray. Water regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. Light pruning after flowering encourages new growth, ensuring your hibiscus produces vibrant, colorful flowers throughout July. For August, Gloxinia, Sinningia speciosa. Indoor Gloxinia plants, like begonias, are sensitive to photoperiodism and thrive in the longer sunlight of August, creating ideal conditions for blooming. To ensure beautiful flowers, place Gloxinia in bright, indirect light, such as a well-lit windowsill. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and high humidity by misting the leaves or using a humidity tray. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged, and avoid getting water on the fuzzy leaves. Fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to promote abundant blooms. Deadheading spent flowers encourages continuous blooming, resulting in vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers throughout August. For September, chrysanthemum. Indoor chrysanthemums bloom beautifully in September with the right care. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light, so placing them near a sunny window is ideal for encouraging blooms. Keep the temperature between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit to promote optimal growth, as cooler conditions help extend the bloom period. Water regularly, ensuring the soil stays evenly moist but not waterlogged, and avoid letting it dry out completely. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. Removing spent blooms encourages continuous flowering, allowing chrysanthemums to showcase their vibrant, daisy-like flowers, bringing autumn color to your home in September. For October, cyclamen. Cyclamen begins to bloom in October as cooler temperatures and longer nights trigger its flowering process. These beautiful plants produce upswept blossoms in pink, white, and red hues, thriving in bright, indirect light with temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. To encourage blooming, keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and water from the bottom to prevent wetting the leaves. Cyclamen also benefit from higher humidity, so misting or using a humidity tray is ideal. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. With proper care, cyclamen will brighten your home with vibrant flowers in October. For November, Kalanchoe, Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. Kalanchoes are a short-day plant, thrives in November due to the longer nights and shorter days. These succulents bloom beautifully with the right care, needing bright, in direct light, so a sunny windowsill is ideal. To encourage flowering, maintain temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and water only when the top inch of soil is dry, avoiding overwatering. Provide 14 to 16 hours of uninterrupted darkness daily for several weeks before blooming to boost flower production. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. With proper care, Kalanchoe will produce vibrant clusters of colorful flowers, bringing cheer to your indoor space in November. For December, Poinsettia, Euphorbia pulcherrima. Poinsettias are popular festive plants, known for their colorful bracts that resemble flowers, which change in response to the shorter daylight hours of winter. These iconic plants bloom beautifully indoors in December. To ensure vibrant growth, place poinsettias in bright, indirect light and maintain temperatures between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. High humidity is beneficial, so mist the leaves or use a humidity tray. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. With proper care, poinsettias will display their stunning red, pink, or white bracts, adding holiday cheer. These indoor plants blooming month by month bring constant beauty to your home. With proper care, adjusting light, temperature, and humidity, each plant thrives in its season, ensuring year-round vibrant floral displays indoors.